Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do underwater effect on CapCut by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your CapCut, import the video that you want to edit, and now here is the next step. So I already have the project and now I also have the video. Now let's add the underwater effect for this video. So you just need to go click this audio part or audio section in the tone part here, and after that you will be activated several section or functions. Now you just need to jump into the sound FX. In this sound FX, you just need to type in a search sound effects here and type in underwater, and after you found it, you just need to go click it. And now the next thing that you need to do is just go find the underwater effect that you want to add into the videos. You can just check it one by one, and after you find the best one, go click this plus button of the sound. And don't forget to adjusting the length of the sounds too. Make sure that the length of the sound is just the same with the length of the video. To make it to cut the rest of the sounds here, you just need to go click the sound section, go click split and delete for the rest, and here is the result. So that's the way guys how to add an underwater effects for your video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.